Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial and first impression using the e.l.f. Mad for Matte 2 eyeshadow palette. So this came out last year. I am very late to the bandwagon on this one. I think it's because I tried to get it when it first came out, but it was sold out. And then I just completely forgot about it. And before Christmas, I picked it up on a haul, and yeah, today I'm just going to do a tutorial using it. So I've been dying to use this palette, and this palette has so many good reviews online as well. Everybody is saying that it's a pretty good palette for the price. So I am excited to use it, and it has some stunning colours. Just to address the this thing on my face. Yes, this is a spot on my face. It is humongous. Yesterday it flamed up and it just looked awful, but it is going slowly. I think it's a stress spot. But yeah, it's looking pretty fierce today, but I will hopefully try to cover it with my makeup. But yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so I am going to apply this Barium Hydro Flawless Fix Primer Water to my face. And then I'm going to go in with this NYX Angel Veil Primer. And for foundation, I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. I recently did a video on this on my channel, and I love this foundation. I will link it down below, the first impression that I did and the wear test. I love this foundation. It is full coverage and it is only $9.99, so bargain. And yeah, I just really like it, but it is slightly too dark for me. I've got the colour 03 True Ivory, so I am going to apply some NYX Pro Foundation Mixer in white as well, just to lighten it a little bit. And I'm going to use my Real Techniques Multi-Tack Sponge. So I'm going to apply Fair Neutral 10, a little bit underneath my eyes, and to highlight where I would normally highlight. So I'm going to blend that in with my Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge. So I just applied my concealer as you saw, but you will have to wait till next week to find out the first impressions on my concealer, because next week I am doing a total video on the Colourpop No Filter Concealer, which I just filmed a bit of. So next week we will find out what I thought of this concealer. So now I'm going to set that concealer down, and I will set my whole face using the Rimmel Match Perfection Silky Loose Face Powder. And I'm going to use the e.l.f. Small Tapered Brush to set underneath my eyes. And I'm going to use my You Spicy 31 brush to set my whole face. Okay, now I'm going to move on to the eyes. Okie dokie, so using the e.l.f. Mad for Matte 2 palette. Oh, doesn't it just look amazing? Okay, so first of all, I'm going to take this colour here on the end, and I'm going to use my Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush, and I'm just going to set down and neutralise the colour on my eyelids. I'm then going to take the second colour in the palette, and I'm going to use my Morphe E27 Fluffy Crease Brush, and I'm going to pop that through the crease. I'm then going to take this next colour over in the palette, and I'm going to use my Morphe M441 brush, and I'm just going to pop that then through the crease on top. I'm then going to take this deeper chocolatey brown colour on a Morphe M412 brush, and I'm going to pop that then on the outer corners. I'm then going to go back in with the second crease shade just to blend everything together. I'm then going to go in with this mustardy orangey colour, and I'm going to go in with my Eco Tools smudge brush, and I am going to pack this onto the lid. And then I'm going to go back in with my crease brush and just blend it all together. And then I'm going to take those same colours that I used on the top of my eye. I'm going to use them on my lower lash line, and I'm going to use my Morphe E18 brush. Now I'm going to take this NYX Slide On, Glide On, Stay On and definitely a Turn On Waterproof Extreme Shine eyeliner in the shade Brown Perfection. And now I'm going to use the Colourpop Brow Boss Gel in Clear. And now I'm going to go in with my No7 Eyelash Curlers and my KIKO Extra Sculpt Volume Mascara. Okay, now I am going to apply another coat of mascara, but I have to wait till it dries. So I'm just going to finish up the rest of my makeup while I'm waiting. So I'm going to take my Rimmel Natural Bronzer Waterproof Bronzing Powder in the shade Sun Bronze. And I am just going to bronze up my skin, and I'm going to use my Real Techniques blush brush to do that. And I'm going to take my Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso on my Real Techniques Multitask brush. And then I'm going to take my Colourpop highlighter in the shade Lunch Money, and I'm going to use my Real Techniques setting brush to apply this to my cheeks and where I normally highlight. Now for lips, I'm going to take this Gigi Hadid Maybelline lip liner in the shade Tora. Okay, so that completes this video. This was my makeup tutorial using the e.l.f. Mad for Matte 2 palette. This was the first time I used the palette, and I have to say I really do like it. I love the colour range in the palette. You can create so many good looks with this colour range. And I really like how the look that I created turned out today as well. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And turn on the notification bell as well, so you can be notified every time I upload. And don't forget, next week as well, I will be uploading the Colourpop No Filter Concealers, which I've done a first impression on, so you can find out if I thought they were any good or not. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!